The idea of bringing dinosaurs back to life has captured our imagination for decades. But how close are we to actually creating a real life Jurassic Park? Today, we'll explore the cutting edge science of de extinction and the challenges we'd face in recreating these ancient creatures. From DNA recovery to advanced genetic engineering, we'll separate science fact from science fiction. The biggest hurdle in recreating dinosaurs is obtaining their DNA. Unlike what we've seen in movies, amber preserved DNA isn't viable after millions of years. DNA has a half life of about 521 years, meaning after just a few million years, it's completely degraded. The most ancient DNA ever recovered is only about 1 million years old from a mammoth preserved in permafrost. Dinosaurs, which went extinct 65 million years ago, are far beyond this window. What we do have are fossilized bones, which have had their organic material replaced by minerals, leaving no usable genetic material. Modern synthetic biology offers alternative approaches. Instead of trying to recover dinosaur DNA, scientists are exploring the possibility of reverse engineering modern birds, which are dinosaurs' closest living relatives. By identifying and manipulating genes that control ancient features, some researchers have already managed to create chicken embryos with dinosaur-like features such as longer tails and different skull shapes. However, we're still far from creating a complete dinosaur. The complexity of reconstructing an entire genome, along with understanding how millions of genes interact, remains a massive challenge. Let's imagine we successfully created dinosaurs. How would we safely contain them? Modern zoos' security systems would need significant upgrades. We'd need reinforced barriers made from advanced materials, multiple redundant security systems, and sophisticated tracking technology. The containment facilities would require backup power systems, emergency protocols, and defense mechanisms against both small, agile dinosaurs and massive ones like T-Rex. Climate control would be crucial, as we'd need to recreate Mesozoic-era conditions. The infrastructure costs alone would be astronomical. The environmental implications of recreating dinosaurs would be profound. These creatures evolved in a world with different atmospheric composition, climate, and plant life. Modern plants might not provide adequate nutrition, and current atmospheric oxygen levels might not support larger species. There's also the risk of introducing prehistoric diseases or parasites that could affect modern species. The impact on local ecosystems would be unpredictable and potentially catastrophic. We'd need to create entirely isolated ecosystems, which poses both technical and ethical challenges. While we're making remarkable progress in genetic engineering and de-extinction technology, we're still far from creating actual dinosaurs. Scientists have successfully sequenced the genome of extinct species like the woolly mammoth and are working on bringing back recently extinct species like the passenger pigeon. These projects, using closely related living species as templates, represent the current frontier of de-extinction science. They're helping us understand the limitations and possibilities of bringing extinct creatures back to life. While a real Jurassic Park remains firmly in the realm of science fiction for now, the pursuit of this idea has driven significant advances in genetics, synthetic biology, and our understanding of evolution. Perhaps the most valuable lesson is how this research helps us appreciate the complexity of life and the importance of preventing modern species from going extinct. After all, it's far easier to protect existing species than to bring them back from extinction.